Is the recent data from China enough to stop the Australian dollar's 2-month slide? So from mid-July to September 5th, the Aussie dollar lost almost 8% against the US dollar. Now, much of that move appears to be reflecting the growing higher for longer narrative in the US, as the last round of US inflation data showed a modest uptick in and bolstered the notion that the Fed may not be done raising rates. Currently, the futures market probability says there's a 27% chance that the Fed will hike once more at the November 1st meeting. But the relative underperformance of the Australian dollar versus its peers seemed to be a pervasive belief that the Chinese economy was imploding. So now the China story appears to be turning a corner, as recent data on Chinese factory output and retail sales showed an unexpected rise. So in the last 2 weeks, the Aussie dollar has rallied back almost 2% in response to the Chinese data. Something else of note is that the historical correlation between the Australian dollar and gold appears to have strengthened since those July highs. Now, CME Group offers 3 different size currency contracts, the standard, the mini, and the micro. In order to match a trader up with their preferred risk tolerance, we're going to be using the micro in these examples. So if a trader believes that the recent strength in the Australian dollar could continue, they could express that by buying the December micro Aussie dollar futures contract at 0.6520 and target a move to the late June lows of 0.6625. Now, a stop for this trade can be placed below at 0.6450. This trade can make $105 if the target is reached and risk $70 if you're stopped out of your level. So if a trader believes that the Australian dollar could fall from here, they could express that by selling the December micro Aussie dollar futures contract at 0.6520 and target a move back to the early September lows of 0.6400. Now, a stop for this trade can be placed above at 0.6610. Now, this trade can make $120 if the target is reached and risks $90 if you're stopped out of your level.